Hi everyone. Today we have come back with another video. In this video we will demonstrate you how to generate APK payload with the help of Evil Droid and hack any Android device. Basically, Evil Droid use the Metasploit framework to generate the APK payload. What all things we can do with the APK payload? You can take the screenshot of mobile, get the call history, read the message, take the photos using mobile webcam, install or uninstall any application in mobile, and many more. This means that you will have almost full control on Android device. We are using Kali 2019.1 AMDX64 for testing and generating APK payload. So let's start. Open this link. This link is also provided in the description. Now click on the clone or download. Then, click here to copy the link. Now open the Kali Linux. Now open terminal. After opening the terminal, type git clone. Then paste the link here. This will clone the Evil Droid in your local directory. So now you need the root permissions. If you are not the root user, type SU. It will ask for the root password. Enter it. It will give you root permissions. Now change the directory to Evil Droid by typing cd space Evil Droid. Now type ls to show the list. As you can see that Evil Droid file does not have the execution permissions. We need to give it execution permission to execute it. To change the permission, type chmod u+x Evil Droid. Now type ls to show the list. Now, as you can see that we have the execution permissions. Now type /Evil Droid to execute the Evil Droid. As you can see that it will open a window and checked for the internet connection. Now it is checking for the dependencies. If the dependencies are not found, it will download it. After checking the dependencies, it will show the message box. Here, it is asking to execute the framework and services. So click on yes. Now as you can see that is starting the Apache 2 service. Now it is starting the PostgreSQL service. So, as you can see, Evil Droid is started and asking to select an option. It has many options. First option is APK MSF. This will create an APK payload file. Second and third options are for creating APK backdoor. Second option, use old APK backdoor method. And third option, use new APK backdoor method. Fourth option is change application icon. This will change the app icon in the resource file of APK, so that it look like the normal application. Fifth option is start listener. This will start the multi-handler and wait for the sessions to open. This option is used when the victim has already downloaded the malicious APK file. Sixth option is clean. And 7th option, quit the evil droid. We are using the first option to demonstrate you how evil droid works. So, type 1 and press enter. It will ask for the L host. Here you have to enter the attacker IP address. As you can see that it automatically detected it. So just click on OK. Now, it is asking for the L port. You can select any port number. But for testing we are using as it is. So, click on OK. Now, it is asking for the app name. You can write any name. We are naming the app, test.apk. Now, it is showing the list of available payloads. You can select any one of the. Every payload is different from the others. For testing, we are using Android Meter Preter Reverse TCP. Because it has too many features. And you will have almost full control on the Android, by using this payload. So, click on OK. As you can see that, Evil Droid is generating the APK payload. It will take around 30 to 40 seconds, to generate the APK payload. As you can see that, APK payload is generated and stored in this directory, with test.apk name. Now, it is asking to select the option, select the multi-handler and click OK. It will start the listening for sessions. As you can see that it is starting the Metasploit framework and multi-handler. So, we are pausing the video, until it starts the multi-handler. Now, as you can see that it starts the multi-handler. And using the same L host and L port, which we have selected earlier. It also starts the Meter Preter Reverse TCP. And listing for the sessions. Now, you have to do the social engineering, to make the victim download the APK payload. Now, let's check the where APK file is stored. As you can see, the malicious APK file is stored here. Make the victim to install this APK file. So, as you can now also see the mobile phone on the screen. This is the victim mobile. It is Redmi Note 4, and it runs on the Android 7.0. So, here as you can see that, the victim has downloaded the APK file in his mobile. Now, it is asking for the many permissions, which is, modify system settings, take photo or video, modify contacts, record audio and many more. These means that hacker will have access to these services after installing payload. When victim click on next, Play Protect shows a prompt, because this app is not from the secure source. Then victim has to press on the install anyway. Then it start the installing. After installing, when the victim press on open, it open a session with the attacker. As you can see that, session is opened with the victim. Type sysinfo to get the system information of victim. As you can see that, victim OS is 7.0. And other information of victim device. Let's maximize the window. Type help to list the all commands. As you can see that, this is the list of all commands and their information. That is it for today. Hope you guys love this video. You can check out our official website for more hacking and cybersecurity tutorials. You can also read the latest cybersecurity news on our website. All the links are provided in description. Check it out, guys.